I don't like you this far out of my reach. Sky check. Come back up here, please. Thank you. Can you please walk back up here? There's better stuff up here. Oh, this is good stuff up here. You should be up here instead. You're not listening to me at all. Little to the left, little to the right. Well done. How much longer do you think you're going to do this? Like, do you have a schedule? Something I can go by? Noisy birds. They don't slow you down. Hello, little birds. They want to know what you're doing. They think you're weird. It's true. I can hear it. I can hear it in what they're saying right now. Let me see, what is that weird bird doing? Are you almost done, baby love? How are you going to get out of there? What are your thoughts? Hi. Don't go down to the fruit. Avoid the watermelon. Do not go to the watermelon. You're going right to the watermelon. That's so gross. Don't do it. Thank you. Thank you, love. I'm giving you a bridge out. You walked right by it. Oh, you want to... Oh, thanks for that. Hi. Come on up.